Hello, my name is Shona and I'm one of the conservators here at the National Library of Scotland. I work as part of the Collections Care team. Today I'm going to give you a short tour of the Conservation Workshop, an area of the library which is not normally open to the general public. As conservators, we facilitate access to the library's collections by ensuring that damage and degradation are kept to a minimum. Our goal is to protect the collections in perpetuity. To achieve this, we assess, identify, repair, stabilise, rehouse and occasionally rebind a whole range of contemporary and historic collections. Our preservation unit is based at our workshop in Sight Hill. They make archival quality boxes and enclosures to protect the library's collections. As well as making boxes for the library, they also make boxes for external clients for a small fee. If you're interested in that service, please get in touch with us via email. Our exhibitions officer is responsible for the preparation of exhibition and loan material, a job that includes the manufacture of bespoke acrylic book cradles such as this. The work of the conservators is quite varied. Mainly, we undertake remedial treatments to stabilise collections. The conservators also train library staff to ensure that material is handled safely. Similarly, we train staff from other organisations and provide advice to the public on how to look after library collections. For example, we regularly run tutorials on how to use a Clarkson book support such as this. The Conservation Workshop contains a mixture of modern and traditional equipment. For example, we use traditional nipping presses and bookbinder sewing frames. These are used to reassemble text blocks and repair damaged books. Unlike modern paperbacks, which are held together with synthetic adhesive, the sections of a traditional book are sewn together by hand over cord or tape supports. At the other end of the technology scale, we also have a state-of-the-art digital stereo microscope. This allows us to examine collections in minute detail and helps us to identify pests, paper fibres and pigment particles. Here you can see a biscuit beetle on the screen. Furthermore, the Conservation Studio is home to our 3-in-1 ultrasonic humidity chamber, which includes a large sink and a low pressure table. Because of the clear dome and the person-like dimensions, one of our curators nicknamed it Sleeping Beauty's bed. In fact, we use this piece of equipment to revive paper-based documents which have been rolled up for a long time. The humidity function enables us to gently relax the items before they are carefully flattened out between layers of blotting paper. I hope that you've enjoyed this short tour of the Conservation Workshop. Next time you visit the library at George IV Bridge, spare a thought for the Collections Care team, who are working hard to ensure that the library's collections are maintained in tip-top condition.